basic operations. So you add, it's not a binary operation. If you consider this set R here, it is A, that is 3, divided by B by A plus 1. They are not equal, 3 minus 8 delta. Therefore, delta 1 equal to delta. Answer is B. Okay. 1 cos x by cos x. Cos x is sin x. Tan power 7 plus cot power 7 by tan power 7 plus cot power 7. 21st question, 2 into 130x plus y012 equal to 5618. Then the value of x. This is based on multiplication of matrix by a scalar and addition of matrices and equality of matrices. Simple basic operations. So you add 2 and y, 2 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to 3. Y equal to 3 is one answer. Now, x, 2 plus 6 plus 0, 6, all that, don't waste time. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So, 2x plus 2, 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. So, 2x is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 3. So, x equal to 3 and y equal to 3. So, answer is A. Tumma easy baratte nodi. 22nd, binary operation. Really, binary operation kotiradene samasya nanage. I have a doubt in this problem also. Not the doubt, the problem is wrong. Yakandre, ili kotiro expression idala, binary antandre, it's not a binary operation. If you consider this set R minus minus 1, that is set of all real numbers other than minus 1. Suppose you call this set G. So this doesn't contain minus 1. All other numbers you have. Now, suppose you consider A star B for two elements A and B in G. Then it's given by A divided by B plus 1. Now, let's consider 3 star minus 4. You know very well 3 and minus 4 both belong to G because they are real numbers other than minus 1. See what happens here? It is A, that is 3, divided by B minus 4 plus 1, which is equal to 3 by minus 3. What is that? Minus 1. So, it is not a member of G. So, the definition of binary operation not satisfied here. Because when you take any two elements of G, A star B should be basically member of G and it is unique. But that is not happening here. So, because I could give an example, A and B, such that A star B is not in this. Therefore, it is not a binary operation. So, the problem is wrong. But what answer they expect here is, it is neither commutative nor associative. That's correct. It's not commutative, not associative. But basically, it is not a binary operation. Therefore, the problem is wrong here, according to me. But if you try A star B, it is A by B plus 1, B star A, B by A plus 1. They are not equal. 2 star 3 is not 3 star 2. And you can also prove it is not associative. But the difficulty is it is not a binary operation. Okay. 23rd question. If 3x(x1) equal to 3214, don't get confused with the matrix equality here. It's not possible. You should not say, see, x equal to 2 and x equal to 4, all that you should not write. See, what you need to do, it's a determinant. So, determinant expansion, 3 minus x squared is equal to 3 minus 8. Expanding this. So, you can cancel 3. So, x squared equal to 8 you get. Therefore, what is x? Plus or minus 2 root 2. Plus or minus 2 root 2. So, answer is D. Next, if A is a square matrix of order 3 by 3, then determinant Ka, you have this very interesting result. Determinant of K times A is K to the power of N into determinant of A, where N is the odd of the determinant. So, determinant of this K times A, here it is K to the power of N is 3 here, K to the power of N, that is K power 3 into determinant A. So, K power 3 into determinant A. So, answer is C. Okay. The area of a triangle with vertices K0, 4, 0, 0, 2 is 4 square units. Then value of K is, so determinant half into determinant K01, 4, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1 is the area of the triangle. Absolute value, very, very important. Otherwise, you get only one answer. Area is 4 square units. It can be negative. So, make it positive by taking absolute value. So, this implies half into k into 0 minus 2. Minus 0 into anything is 0. Plus 1 into, delete the row and column headed by this, 8 minus 0 is equal to either 4 or minus 4 because absolute value is there. So, it is plus or minus 4. Therefore, minus 2k plus 8. Minus 2k plus 8 is equal to either 8 or minus 8. Cross multiplying plus 8 or minus 8. Therefore, minus 2k is equal to 8 minus 8 or minus 8 minus 8. Shifting 8 to right hand side. Therefore, minus 2k is equal to either 0 or minus 16. Therefore, k equals 0 or minus 16 by minus 2 is 8. So, 0 or 8. So, k value is this 0 or 8 is the answer. Delta is ax, by, cz, x squared, y squared, z squared, 1, 1, 1. Delta 1 is this. Then, please see, you are comparing delta 1 and delta. You are writing delta 1 in terms of delta. So, let's take up this. I take delta 1, try to express in terms of delta. Delta 1 is determinant a, b, c, x, y, z, zy, zx, xy. Now, try to express in terms of delta means you have ax, by, cz. So, I multiply this by x, this by y, this by z to get that. So, this is equal to, I multiply this by x, so divide by x to compensate. The second column I multiply by y, so divide by y to compensate. Again, this you multiply by z and divide by z is equal to, now it is ax, x squared, xyz. Multiply first column by x. Second column you multiply by y, that you have compensated already. So, by y squared, x into y into z. Now, multiply this by c, you get this one, you have cz, z squared, x into y into z. Now, I take xyz common. So, this is equal to 1 upon x into y into z. X into y into z, I take xyz from column 3, row 3. And now you write ax, by, cz, x squared, y squared, z squared, 1, 1, 1. Now you cancel this with this. Now take the transpose of this, you get that. See, you take the transpose, you know determinant of a matrix is determinant of its transpose. If you take transpose of this, it becomes ax, by, cz, x squared, y squared, z squared, 1, 1, 1, which is nothing but delta. Therefore, delta 1 equal to delta, answer is B. Okay. Next question, given fx equal to kx squared for less than or equal to 2 and 3 for more than 2 is continuous at x equal to 2, then the value of k, you must know limit of the function kx squared as x tends to 2 should be equal to limit of 3 as x tends to 2. Here, this is the left hand limit and here it is right hand limit. To the left of 2, it is defined by kx squared. To the right of 2, so these two are equal. So, what is this? 4k, because when you replace x by k, x by 2 squared, 4k is equal to 3 you get. Therefore, what is k value? K is equal to 3 by 4. So, use the condition left hand limit equal to right hand limit, because for function to be continuous, limit should exist. That is one of the conditions. So, use that and get the value C. This is the answer. Next question. The value of C, that is the value of C in the mean value theorem for the function fx equal to x squared. So, you know this function satisfies conditions of mean value theorem. Being a polynomial function, it is continuous and differentiable in entire R. So, here A is equal to 2. B is equal to 4. You have f dash C is equal to FB minus FA divided by B minus A. This is the result, mean value theorem. There is a point C that f dash C equal to FB minus FA by B minus A. So what is f dash C? You know, derivative of fx is 2x. So 2c it is. F dash x is 2x. So f dash C is 2c is equal to FB. B is 4. So FB is 4 squared, 16. Minus FA is 2 squared, it is 4. Divided by B minus A, which is equal to 2. So 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 by 2 is 6. Therefore, C is equal to 6 by 2, 3. So the value of C is 3. So this is answer is A. The point on the curve y squared equal to x, where the tangent makes an angle pi by 4 with x-axis. So you know slope of the tangent is y squared is equal to x. Differentiating, you get 2y into dy by dx is equal to 1. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 1 over 2y. This is the slope of the tangent. But tangent makes an angle of pi by 4 with x-axis means, but the slope of the tangent is also, slope of tangent is also given by tan pi by 4, because if a line makes angle pi by 4 with x-axis, slope definition you know, it is tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 by 2y slope of the tangent is same as 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1 by 2. Y equal to half. So there is only one answer in which y equal to half. So you can go to this directly because y coordinate is half. But when you substitute y equal to half in this, then what is x? Just see. X becomes 1 by 2 squared, that is equal to 1 by 4. So naturally, y is half, x is 1 by 4. So answer is B. The next question. The function fx equal to x squared plus 2x minus 5 is strictly increasing. Strictly increasing, please note. So f dash x should be greater than 0. For increasing, greater than or equal to 0. For strictly increasing, this is the condition. So this implies 2x plus 2, differentiating 2x plus 2 is greater than 0. And that implies that 2x is greater than minus 2. That implies x is greater than minus 1. So x is greater than minus 1, not including minus 1. Therefore, the interval is minus 1 to infinity. It is greater than minus 1. So minus 1 to infinity. So answer is A. Very clearly, it is the first answer, A. 31st. The rate of change of volume of a sphere with respect to its surface area. So you have volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of a cube. Volume of a sphere. And surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. So you want derivative of V with respect to A. The question, rate of change of volume of a sphere with respect to its surface area, the required expression is dV by dA. Try to understand the question. dV by dA you want. But both are functions of what? R. So I can write this as dV by dr divided by dA by dr. This is the expression. So dV by dr is 4 by 3 pi into 3r squared divided by dA by dr is 4 pi into 2r. 4 pi into 2r. Simplify this now. 3 cancels. Here 4 pi r squared by 4 pi into r, that is 2 to the, here it is simplifying this, you get 2r squared divided by 4r, you get pi cancels here. So this is equal to r by 2. Finally, simplifying this, you get r by 2. R cancels, you get r by 2. Now, you want a rate of change of surface area when the radius is 4 centimeters. So when you put r equal to 4, it becomes 4 by 2, that is equal to 2 centimeter cube by centimeter square. So 2 centimeter cube by centimeter square, because unit, one is in cubic, another is in square. So it is 2 centimeter cube per centimeter square. The next question, 32nd question. So y equal to tan inverse of some expression, you have to find dy by dx. See, to differentiate, you have to apply chain rule, quotient rule. It's very time consuming. So what you do, try to get in terms of tan of something. So you can write this as y is equal to tan inverse of, I divide numerator and denominator by cos x. Sin x by cos x is tan x plus 1 cos x by cos x divided by cos x by cos x 1 minus tan x, you get this, which is equal to tan inverse of, I rewrite it, 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x, which is a familiar expression. You know, it is equal to tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 plus x. You know that tan pi by 4 plus x is tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. So which is equal to, so y is equal to tan inverse of tan pi by 4 plus x, it is pi by 4 plus x. Now differentiation is just a formality. You can write dy by dx is equal to derivative of pi by 4, 0 plus 1. So dy by dx equal to 1. So answer is D. 33. If y is fx, gx, hx, lmn, abc, then dy by dx equal to. So if you want to differentiate determinant, you have this rule y dash or dy by dx. You can write this as, see, first you differentiate one row, it is f dash x, g dash x and hx, and write other two rows as they are, that is L, M, N, A, B, C. Next, this is the rule to differentiate in a determinant. Next, you write first row as it is fx, gx, hx, and differentiate second row. Because it is constant, it becomes 0, A, B, C. And next, you differentiate third row, writing other two rows as they are. That is fx, gx, and hx. And next one is L, M, N, and then 0, 0, 0. If all the elements in a particular row is 0, this is 0, this is also 0. So answer is f dash x, g dash x, h dash x, sorry. Differentiate one row completely, and this one. So dy by dx, so the first answer is correct. Now if you see this carefully, this is, see these two are interchanged, so it becomes negative. This is not the answer. But here, that is same as this. You know, determinant of a matrix determinant of its transpose, this is also correct answer. So that there are two choices. And you can see this also, here also, if you interchange row twice, it becomes that same thing. Therefore, except B, A, C, D, all are answers. So they will not generally give this type of answer. There is only one correct choice. So this is the answer. But unfortunately, the other C and D also satisfy. So you get grace for such questions. Okay. 34. If sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t squared and tan y equal to 2t by 1 minus t squared, then dy by dx equals. See here, x equal to sin inverse of 2t divided by 1 plus t squared. If you write x in terms of t, and y is equal to tan inverse of 2t divided by 1 minus t squared. How you start, very important. So get x and y. You want dy by dx, but you can simplify this. Sin inverse 2t by 1 plus t squared is 2 tan inverse t. It's a standard result. And this also equal to 2 tan inverse t, because tan inverse 2t by 1 minus t squared is also 2 tan inverse t. So when you look at this, x and y are equal, x and y. Therefore, x equal to y, you need not differentiate also. 2 by 1 plus t squared, 2 by 1 plus, not necessary. Y equal to x means you want dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to 1. Or you can say dy by dx is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. dy by dt is 2 divided by 1 plus t squared, and dx by dt is again 2 divided by 1 plus t squared, which is also equal to 1. Therefore, the answer is 1. This is a better method. So, answer is the derivative of cos inverse 2x squared minus 1 with respect to cos inverse x. I simplify this further. I call this y is equal to cos inverse of 2x squared minus 1 and z equal to cos inverse x. Let us take one as y, another as, you can't use x because cos inverse x is there, call it z. You want this dy by dz. Remember, what do you want? Derivative of this with respect to this. So first simplify this. Don't use the chain rule, it's a waste of time. So I take x as cos theta, then it becomes 2 cos squared theta minus 1 cos 2 theta. Cos inverse of cos 2 theta is 2 theta. So y becomes 2 into theta is nothing but cos inverse x. And z is cos inverse x. So you want dy by dz. Right? Therefore, dy by dz is nothing but dy by dz is equal to 2 divided by, see, you have minus 1 over root 1 minus x squared here, divided by dz by dx minus 1 over square root of 1 minus z squared, 1 minus x squared, sorry. 1 minus x squared cancels, you get plus 2. So 2 is the answer. Okay. So derivative of that with respect to cos inverse x is 2. So answer is 2. 36. See, we have y equal to log of log x. You want second derivative. So dy by dx first. dy by dx is equal to 1 over log x into 1 over x. You have derivative of log x, chain rule you apply. This is equal to 1 over x into log x. Now you differentiate again d2y by dx squared. You want second derivative. So d2y by dx squared equals, you can take it as 1 over z minus 1 by z squared into the derivative of this. Or you can apply quotient rule also. X log x whole squared. Nothing wrong if you apply quotient rule. In fact, that is safe. So x log x, denominator square over denominator into derivative of numerator is derivative of 1 is 0 minus 1 into derivative of x log x is x into 1 over x plus log x into 1 by product rule. You get this, which is equal to minus of 1 plus log x, minus of 1 plus log x divided by x into log x whole squared. You get minus 1 plus log x by x log x whole squared. So the answer is A. Okay, you differentiate twice here. Next, 37th question. It's a very simple problem based on this principle. E power x, if e power x is a factor, you can always think of this beautiful result. F of x plus f dash x. Integral of e power x into fx plus f dash x is equal to e power x into f of x. Right? So you convert into that form, which is equal to integral e to the power of x into, I want this as sum of two functions such that one is derivative of the other. So for that, what I do, I just add one and subtract one. You have x plus 4 minus 1 is x plus 3 divided by x plus 4 whole squared into dx. This is step 1. Now it's equal to integral e to the power of x into x plus 4 by x plus 4 squared is 1 over x plus 4 plus minus 1 divided by x plus 4 whole squared. See this expression carefully. This is the f of x. Derivative of this is minus 1 over x plus 4 whole squared. So according to this, it is e to the power of x into f of x, that is 1 over x plus 4. So e power x by x plus 4, e power x by x plus 4 is the answer. This is the answer. C. We shall take up this 38th question. See, you can write this as integral of cos 2x is 2 cos squared x minus 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 cos squared theta minus 1 divided by cos x minus cos theta. This is step 1. Note here, theta is a constant. So this is equal to, you can cancel 1 with this plus 1. So it is 2 into, I can take 2 common, into cos squared x minus cos squared theta divided by cos x minus cos theta. This is important step. Then you can write easily. Factorizing this, it is 2 into integral of cos x plus cos theta into cos x minus cos theta divided by denominator cos x minus cos theta. So you can cancel this cos x minus cos theta with this equal to this. Now you integrate term by term, integral of cos x plus cos theta into dx. Now integrate carefully. It is 2 into integral of cos x is sin x. Okay. Plus, don't write integral of cos theta as sin theta. Cos theta is constant. So it is cos theta into x. Integral of dx is x plus a constant. So the answer is 2 into sin x plus x cos theta. So sin x plus x cos theta into 2. So answer is A. So 38th question है, answer A बराबर. Okay. Now we shall go to 39th question. This is based on a result. You have integral of square root of a squared x squared plus a squared form. X squared plus a squared. It's a standard integral. So I convert into that form by completing the square. This can be written as integral square root of x plus 1 whole squared plus, you have taken 1 from this, x squared plus 2x plus 1 is x plus 1 whole squared, plus 4, I can write it as 2 squared into dx. That is step 1. X simplifying, you get x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus 4, which is again that. Which is in the form root of x squared plus a squared. Your x is x plus 1, that's all. So according to that formula, it is x by 2, that is x plus 1 divided by 2 into root of x squared plus a squared. It is same as that. So don't waste time. Write x squared plus 2x plus 5 as it is. Next, plus a squared by 2, that is 2 squared by 2 into logarithm of x plus, x means x plus 1, plus root of x squared plus a squared, which is again the same expression. What is that? X squared plus 2x plus 5. So very easily you can select the answer now. X plus 1 by 2 into root of x squared plus 2x plus 5 plus 2 squared by 2 is 4 by 2, that is 2. 2 into log of x plus 1 plus root of x squared plus x, 2x plus 5. So the answer is A. So easily you can write the answer. 40th question, it's a very simple problem. If you call this integral I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 tan to the power 7x divided by cot to the power 7x plus tan to the power 7x into dx, using integral a to b is equal to 0 to a equal to 0 to a f of a minus x. It is 0 to pi by 2. Tan pi by 2 minus x is cot to the power 7x divided by, again cot becomes tan to the power 7x plus tan pi by 2 minus x is cot to the power 7x into dx, using this result integral 0 to a f of x into dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Wherever you find x, put pi by 2 minus x. Now adding these two, you get 2i equal to 0 to pi by 2 tan power 7 plus cot power 7 by tan power 7 plus cot power 7. It is nothing but 1 dx, which is equal to x between 0 and pi by 2. Therefore, it is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, I is equal to pi by 2 by 2, that is pi by 4. You need not do all this. See, when you replace x by pi by 2 minus x, suppose denominator is same, numerator is the other than this, so cot to the power 7, then you can write the answer directly, upper limit by 2, pi by 4 is the answer. So answer is B here.